Let us see how to make a protein-rich dosha for breakfast. For this, we take a bowl of kabuli chana which is soaked. We add the kabuli chana into the mixer grinder. Along with this, we add some green chilies, some ginger, some curry leaves, some coriander leaves, some jeera, some hing, some salt, and enough water so that we are able to grind it nicely. We now grind this into a nice paste, and to this we are going to add some rava, and to the rava we add some sugar so that the color is maintained. The greenish color will get maintained with the help of sugar. To make this into a batter, we add some water, some onions, some carrot, some coriander leaves again, and nicely mix it. We allow this mixture to rest for 15 minutes, and now it is time for us to spread this over a tawa and cook it. You can see I'm spreading dosha evenly on the tawa, and to this I will also add some til oil. Allow it to cook nicely on the tawa. I close it using a lid so that it cooks faster, and here you can see our healthy dosha ready to be had for breakfast.